Hi, welcome along. In today's video I've got a song by Shakin, an absolute Christmas classic. This is called Merry Christmas Everyone from 1985. I do hope you enjoy it, and if you do, don't forget to click like and subscribe for me, as it helps me to grow the channel and bring you more guitar based tutorials. So if this is what you're up for, go and grab your guitar. I'll meet you back here in 3, 2, 1. Right, Merry Christmas everyone, let's go for it. This is the intro, so it sounds like this. There we are, nice and simple. Let me show you how that's done. We start off with an A major chord, but instead of playing like you would normally, an A or an A or an A, 3 in a line, we're going to bar with just one finger. We're going to bar D string, G string, B string and A string. Don't worry about playing this bottom E string, by the way. We're not going to get that far. We're going to bar like that up to the screen, can you see? And we're just going to play the A string, the D string and the G string. So on this side of things, our right hand, we're going to mute the string slightly with the edge of our hand, and we're going to be playing downstrokes. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. So you should get that muted kind of sound. Okay, so let's take you through the chords then. So we've got A, then we're going to do a step down, which the way that's going to work is we're going to put our third finger on the 4th fret of this E string, string number 6. Okay, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 with our finger up there, and then we're going to move to a F sharp minor. Then we've got a D, we've got an E we're going to use, and then back to an A. All right, so let me show you how that's going to work. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, F sharp minor, D 2, 3, 4, A 2, 3, 4, E 2, 3, 4, A 2, 3, 4, A 2, 3, 4. Okay, so one more time. Intro goes like this. A 2, 3, 4, A 2, step down, F sharp minor, D 2, 3, 4, A 2, 3, 4, E 2, 3, 4, A 2, 3, 4, A 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then that's when the singing starts. So let's take you into the singing. So it goes like this. So we've got A, first off, snow is falling all around me, F sharp minor, D 2, 3, 4, A 2, 3, 4, A 2, D 2, A 2, 3, 4, A 2, E 2, A 2, 3, 4, A 2, step down, F sharp minor, 2, 3, 4, D 2, Merry, A, Christmas, 2, 3, 4, E, every, back to the A, every one for the every one, into the A. So let's take that from the top. So we've got A, step down, F sharp minor, D, A, D, A, E, A, step down, F sharp minor, D, A, E, A. Now the way that's done, that is up, down on the E, and then down, down on the A. So let's take you through the verse one more time. So we've got A, step down, F sharp minor, D, A, D, A, E, A, step down, F sharp minor, D, A, E, A, up, down, down, down on the A. Then what happens is we move from going down, 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 down to more of a country kind of feel. With alternate bass notes. Yeah. Now, if you wanted to keep this simpler for yourselves, you can carry on with down. You can just do downstrokes like that. Personally, I think it sounds a bit better if you pick out the alternate bass notes. So for the A, you've got, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the chords we've just been through for the verse. So bass notes are string number 5, the A string. So we've got that, then down, and then 6th string E, and then down. So we've got then step down, and then F sharp minor is the top string, the E string, and then the A string. So that's the way around we do the bass notes for that chord. And then for the D chord, we've got the D string first, then we strike, and then the A string afterwards, and then down. So basically we alternate, we do the bass, down, A, down, so like that, yeah, so you alternate the bass notes. So D string, A string, D string, A string for the D, and then the A string, E string for the A string, D string, A string, E string, A string. E would be the E chord would be the E string first, and then the back to the A again. F sharp minor, D, A, E, A. Okay, so that's how you would play the bass notes. Basically, the way you would do it is the root note, which for the A would be the note of A. That is the first bass note you pick. So, and then the run down, this step down. F sharp will be the bass note because that's the one we're going to pick first. Okay, and then for the D, because we're in the chord of D, the D note is the one we're going to pick first. There it is. And then A. So let's go through the verse one more time, and then I'm going to take you through the bridge. So here we go. So A, step down, F sharp minor, D, A, D, A, E, A, step down, F sharp minor, D, A, E, A. So before we lead into the bridge, we go. So that's A string, 4th fret of the E string, and then F sharp minor. For the bridge, I would recommend all downstrokes again. So F sharp minor, D, A, E, F sharp minor, D, A 2 3 4, A 2 3 4, E 2 3 4, stop. Okay, and then we go back into the verse again. See the alternate bass notes. So A, step down, F sharp minor, D, A, D, A, E, A, step down, F sharp minor, D, A, E, A. Then we got F sharp minor, B, so F sharp minor, D, A, E, F sharp minor, D, A, E 2 3 4 1. So So there we have it. Merry Christmas everyone by Shakin Stevens. How did you get along with this one? Let me know down in the comments section below. And if you've got any songs you'd like me to strip apart and show you how to play in another video, don't hesitate, let me know down in the comment section below. If you've liked today's video, do me a massive favour please and click like and subscribe for me, as it helps me grow the channel and be able to bring you more guitar based tutorials. Thanks for watching guys, always a pleasure. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.